Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you guys how you can get the feature of copying text from your images or the screenshot from the photos which you have clicked from their camera. So guys, I will show you in this video, so guys please follow all the videos. So guys, you can also get the feature of copying text from the image or screenshot in your any iPhones currently running on iOS 15. So guys, some of the features of the iOS 15 are not working in my iPhone 6s. So guys, I will show you how you can enable these features in your any iPhone. If you are new, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, so guys you will be notified by the channel when I posted any of the new video. So guys, let's begin this video. So guys, you need to install this application in your iPhone. Simply open the Play Store and you will see this is a application Photo Translator Translate Plus. So guys, you need to install this application. So guys, this is a 9 MB application. So guys, you will see this is the size of the application, 9 MB. Simply install this application in your iPhone. So guys, when you completely install this application, simply open this application and you will see it is showing loading, and please wait for a while. And you will see this is the interface of the application. So as you can also click any of the photos from this application. Simply click on the OK button and you will see this is a camera opened in this application. As you can also click the photos from the camera and copy the text from the image which you have clicked from this application. So guys, simply I click on the cancel button, and so guys, you will see here's the option of images. So guys, simply click on this one. I have taken a screenshot and I will show you how you can copy the text from this screenshot. And simply I select this area from the screenshot to copy the text from this image, and simply click on the OCR button and you will see this is the OCR button. As you will see, this application detect all the text from this image or screenshots, and you will see here's the option of 3 dots. Guys, simply click on the option. So guys, again cut this ad. Guys, you will see this application copy all the matter from this screenshot. So guys, you can copy this matter and paste in another application. So guys, you will see here's the option of copy and click on the copy and you will see the text is copied to the clipboard. So guys, you can paste this matter in your note or any other application. I simply click on the new note and simply double tap and click on the paste, and you will see the matter is completely pasted in my notepad. You can paste this matter in any other application which you want. So guys, this is a video. I hope you find this method helpful. So guys, please hit the like button, also subscribe the channel, also hit the bell icon, so guys you will be notified when I posted any other new video.